Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a boomerang with all video. The first thing you will need to do is open Instagram. Once in the app, you're going to tap on the plus like you'll normally do at the top. Then you're going to select Story. From here, you will see a list of the videos on your device. You can simply select the video that you would like to make the boomerang from. For example, this video right here. Once you have found the video that you'd like to make the boomerang from, you are going to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you will see the option Boomerang. You are going to tap on that. Then you can simply pull the slider to the section of the video that you would like to make the boomerang. As you can see here, choose which part to turn into a boomerang. Once you have found the section, you can simply tap on Apply. And you can see it right there. Now you can tap on Done in the top right hand corner. Now you can post your story, or you could tap on the three dots and save the boomerang and share it on other platforms if you like. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.